All India Hindu Mahajot continues to work for the common poor people in this COVID situation throughout India. On the eve of Vaikuntha Ekadashi, Makar Sankranti and Pongal, Raja Mukherjee, National Convener of All India Hindu Mahajot, Rajiv Nath Roy, National Spokesperson of All India Hindu Mahajot, organized a program to distribute 1,000 bottles of mineral water and 500 units of packed buttermilk, along with 500 pouch of fruit juice and candy and chocolates at Narasimha Temple in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. All India Hindu Mahajot National Convener Raja Mukherjee said that,
as you are aware, there is this Delta plus Omicron and all this stuff happening all out here, right? So we are basically doing this seva, for the people to tell them that we care, and there are a long queue of devotees all around, and we wish to, wish them success on the eve of this Makar Sankranti and Pongal. So this seva is continuing for the last 4 days, and today is the final day of the seva here, right? And just a gesture to wish everyone happy Pongal and all the best. That's it. Thank you.
All India Hindu Mahajot National Spokesperson Rajiv Nath Roy said that,
we have gone ahead and gone for a pact.
Can you show me the pack? Can you show me the pack?
This is the pact which we are doing right now.
Rajiv Nath Roy, and Rajiv, I see that. Can you just hold it for a moment, actually, for the media, right? Okay, so All India Hindu Mahasabha sticker. Is it some kind of branding you guys are doing, actually?
Actually, this is not for branding. This is something which we are trying to say to the people that they can join this, and we are basically looking for people to join, Hindu people to unite under one banner. I won't say they have to leave their own identity, but being with their own identity, working for the Hindu causes, that is the reason why we have formed this organization.
Let me show everyone this idyllic surrounding. This is a wonderful surrounding of this Himachalam, where the Lord is abode, right? And out here we have Rajiv Nath Roy. Rajiv, thank you so much once again, right, for your seva. And Rajiv at present is the All India National Spokesperson of Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha. Rajiv, Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha and this, Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahajot, same organization, or you guys have started your own political party?
This is our own political party, social economics, because what we found in Hindu Mahasabha was there is nothing known as Hindu Mahasabha right now.
Okay.
Because they are fighting among themselves. There are 6 or 7 different factions are there, and everyone is saying he or she is the national president.
Okay.
And even the court also didn't agree on any of the things. They say that you have to settle the thing inside them, which is quite true as far as the people representation is concerned.
Okay, one more thing, Rajiv. There were very disturbing images of this Tirumala coming along, right? In Tirupati, where, for VVIP Darshanam and Super VIP Darshanam, people are paying and they are getting out. Sometimes through influences they are getting through, while the common devotees are whole night in the line and all. And there have been reports of high-handedness of the administration. So what do you have to say on that?
See, there is a lot of things. Mismanagement has been done. And it has been continuing for last few decades.
the step of the All India Hindu Mahajot during COVID situation is really positive and appreciable. Bureau Report, News Bangla.